Shopify is providing a 1-month trial for just $1, along with a $50 credit that you can spend on their App Store. To claim this offer, go to the first link which is given in the video description. The link will take you to this page. Here, you need to make sure that this $50 offer is visible. If you don't see the offer, then you need to come back to this video, and then repeat the same process on any other browser. If the offer is visible, then you can proceed further. Here, you need to enter your email. And then click on this button. Next, create a password for your account. Next, you need to select your country from this list, and then confirm. Now Shopify will ask you some questions. You can simply skip these questions and click on this next button. Again, click on this next button. And then click on the Get Started button. Next, Shopify will ask you to select a plan. For the first month, it will only cost $1, no matter which plan you decide to choose. If you decide to go with the advanced plan, you can save around $400. But make sure to change the plan before your 30-day trial ends. And you'll also get the $50 credit once you select a paid plan of Shopify. You can spend that credit on any app on Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.